So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this Sefaspe, maybe is how you would say it. And what this is a 200 amp welder. And we are going to actually put this thing to the test, but let me figure out where we need to open it. So it looks like right up here. I've not even opened this, everybody, so you guys are seeing it for the first time that I am seeing it here. So we'll go ahead and take it all out here. Very small and compact welder, look at that. So this is all the actual cord and everything right there. And look how tiny this thing is. That's gotta be one of the smallest welders in the history of welders. That is small. Let me show you everything they included with mine. So putting the box down. This right here is just your basic type mask. I don't ever use these masks. I recommend getting a actual solid mask if you're ever gonna be welding anything. So we won't use that. I'll put that aside. The cord, it looks like it gives you an adapter right here if you wanna go to a 220 amp and go just a normal 110. Oh, they actually included some sticks with it. Thank you, Sefaspe, because I have to get my own sticks and try to figure out what goes with this thing. Little set of instructions with a calibration card there, and then your actual cord right here. And by the way, this is just a stick welder, everybody. This is not a wire welder, so don't get it confused with a wire welder. So let me go ahead, get this thing set up, get everything plugged up, grab some metal, and let's get to welding. So there's an on and off switch on the back, not much to it. And when you turn it on right here, you can see the actual amperage right here can go all the way up to 200. We'll put it on like, let's go 150 on that. And we'll get my mask. This is the Vevor mask right here. Like I said, it includes a mask with it, and it's pretty good that it includes a mask, but you know what? I don't need it. Get your welding gloves on. Always wear welding gloves. Now I'm just gonna show you guys how this thing works. Obviously, I'm not claiming to be any type of expert welder. Technically, it's ready. Let's turn it up just a little bit. So I'm just gonna run it right through there. Oh yeah, we're going now. I just had to get through that upper layer. I would say that's pretty good. There we go. Oh yeah, that worked great, everybody. So right here is the weld. Look at that. That's solid. I think this thing would work great. I don't see any issues with this. Obviously, I know a lot of you welding geeks out there probably looking at this and being like, that looks terrible. But look how solid it is. You know what? I can't break it. I'm squeezing as hard as I can right there, and I can't break it. It's really hot right now, so I don't want to handle it without gloves. But everybody, I think this little welder kit is something that I would recommend, because if you're looking for just a tiny type of welder, just to do kind of like little projects around the house, maybe welding on a muffler or a fence or something like that, this is something I will recommend. The Sefaspe, maybe is what that is. You know, MMA stick welder. See y'all in the next video.